What's good, YouTube? It's your man Big D Well, back with another unboxing. You already know what it is from the hat. If you don't, let's check it out. Jones just came in the mail. Took a little while. Finally came. As you can see from the box, you already know what it is. The label reads Jordan 6 Retro DMP. This is a grade school size, not a personal pair. This will be going for sale. Also, the Jordan 5 comes out Saturday. The white ones with the 3M tongue. You got your standard, you got your Unite paper. You know, these supposed to came out All-Star Weekend, but with the corona and everything, it got pushed back. So, gonna do a quick review on these. Fresh Jordans, man, make you feel like a kid at Christmas, I tell you. Alright, let's get right into it, man. You have your icy bottom. I suggest you use the Rejuvenator Soul Shields. You got your gold hits on the mid. That black upper. It looks like 3M's in there. I'll try to turn the flash on and see. It's no 3M, but it's like some kind of shiny silver. These are the kid sizes. So, yeah, there's no 3M in there. As you can see, you got your lace lock. The same thing I was saying, no, just a standard Jumpman Black Air Jordan on the tongue. You got that Jumpman, gold Jumpman inside. And once again, you got that tint, that blue tint on your bottoms. Got that gold plate right there. On your heel tab. Stitch Jumpman 23 underneath. There you have it, man. I didn't want to get these in my size because I have the black foam posits with the gold swoosh. And I also have the black and red, the black fire red 6s as well. So there's no need for me to get these in my personal size. I had a chance to get them in a size up, 11, but I passed on them. Got that nubuck. Clean, man. There you have it. You got your gold dog tag. Jumpman on one side. It's Air Jordan 6. June 12, 1991. Defining moment. Michael Jordan's first professional championship. There you have it, man. History in the making. Poetry in motion. All right, check it out. Size 7. And these look pretty big for a 7. So I guess they're true to size. My 6s are true to size. You know, I wear 10.5, and they just feel comfortable. So I like that gold right there shining. Like I said, that's why I had this put this hat on with. There you have it, man. Jordan 6 DMPs, size 7. I seen the price on StockX kind of went down a little bit, but they still more than, you still paying over retail. So you might need a size 7, holler at me. It will be going up on eBay, or you can DM me and we can work something out. All right, folks, until next time, stay safe, wash your hands. See y'all next video. God bless.